Birmingham, Louisiana. It's bedtime. It's dark outside. As you can see, I am in my truck. I don't know how good y'all be able to see, but I'm in the back here. So, as you can see out there, everybody sleep, everybody parked the truck, you know, it's parking lot out there and everything. Morning. It's morning time. This boy just got up. It's up a little bit late, but it's Sunday, man. You know, I sleep late on Sundays, the weekends. But I gotta roll, gotta get over to Miami. Let's see, it's 4, I mean, it's 9:40 in the morning. I don't know what I was thinking, 4 something, but it's 9:40, basically 10 o'clock, so I'm getting a late start. It's all good, though. I got some good sleep, that's what it's all about. That's what we're looking like this morning. In the view of parking lot. I guess it rained just a little bit more here. So, it is what it is. What I do is, get myself together, you know, wash my face, brush my teeth, then head to the cockpit, man, and get this bad boy rolling. So, alright, so, here we go. Boy, Big Cat, man. Over here, at my first customer, man, in Miami, getting unloaded. I didn't think they were gonna take this long, but they're taking forever. So, I just thought I'd just turn on the camera, you know, and just start vlogging, you know what I'm saying? But, yeah, man, it's, you know, in Miami, man, ain't nothing special. Club, the warehouse. Actually, this is the address where I'm at right there, if you can see that. They had quite a bit of stuff on the trailer, so I know it's a two-stopper. I know they had like about 70 items that they had to get off. You know, what a job I have, right? I get to just chill in the truck while they do the unloading in the heat and I'm in the AC. Hey, man, but I got the product here, man. It's their job to unload it. You know what I'm saying? You know, I pretty much don't do any unloading. That's why I'm so fat. No, I'm not fat. I'm fluffy. Somebody told me that. I know I'm a big boy. You know what I'm saying? Big boys is in right now. Little dudes, they out. They not in no more. They out of style. Big boys. You know what I'm saying? You see all these big boys right here with these fine chicks. You know what I'm saying? That's how we rolling. These chicks like big boys now. That's why I got a fine chick, man. I'm gonna go check on these boys, man. Make sure they ain't dead back there. You know, and while we on the subject, big boys, your boy kinda hungry. You know what I'm saying? So I need to get something to eat. Check out the paperwork. See they had all of these things. So now I'm gonna go to my second stop at 84th Street. This is 97th Street, so probably down the road a little bit here. This place is weird, man, because it got, their dock is real old school. Pull my tandems all the way to the back and leave the airbags cocked. Airbags pulled up. I don't know why I said cocked. I mean filled up. I'm gonna pull out and that fence. And if I go that way, I'll take that fence out of the ground. So if I go this way, I'll make it because there's like another dot right next to me. So I can just pull out, go down the road. Just hopefully there's an opening down there. We'll see. We'll see.